Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to save open tabs as collection that can be easily restored later. Also you can recover your open tab after Chrome crash, or you can see and manage all open tabs in one place using Google Chrome extension. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Google and write session buddy. So press enter. So this is our link, Chrome web store. So click on it. So this is our tab management Chrome extension. By using this we are going to organize tabs in one place. If you want, you can save tab. If your Chrome browser crash, you can restore your tabs. Now you see add to Chrome, so click on it, and then you see add extension, so again click on it. So this Google Chrome extension has been added. On top you see icon, so click on it and then find here session buddy. So we are going to store session, so click on pin it, and then on top you see icon, so click on it. Now dashboard open, and then you see we have 19 tabs. If you want, you can save tabs into collection. Now right click on it and then you see save, so click on it. Now collection edit, click on it. If you want, you can edit, delete, so it's up to you. So click on delete. So we have 19 tabs. If you want, you can search tabs and collection from search field. Now scroll down, you see all tabs we have in Google Chrome. So by using this Google Chrome extension, you can manage tab. If you want, you can close it. Now you see, right click on it, now close, ok. Now close tab, done. Again click on it, you see multiple option. If your Chrome browser crash, then you can restore your open tabs. Now you see icon, so click on it, you see multiple option. On top you see setting icon, so click on it. Now go to setting, you see setting pop up open, and then you see tabs. So you can do setting according to your requirement, and then you see collection, you see multiple option, history, others. So you can do setting according to your requirement and then click on close. And if you save any tab in collection, then you can access that tab later. If you close Chrome windows, but you can access that tabs in collection easily. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.